So where's XRP's explosion? I thought after the SEC drops its case against Ripple, we were supposed to see some massive move up for XRP, and that just hasn't happened yet. So what's going on? Why is XRP still staying suppressed in terms of price action? Well, we're going to talk about that in this video. Make sure you guys hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and follow me on X as well if you're watching over there. $11 billion gets wiped out of XRP's valuation just 48 hours after the Ripple case is dismissed. So why are we still losing value? Donald Trump's reelection, Gary Gensler retires or announces his retirement. This helped XRP soar from about 51 cents to highs near $3.31 for a 549% rally. That just happened. So what's the deal? How come we're not moving now? The SEC's watershed decision to abandon its lawsuit against Ripple Labs triggered only a very short-lived rally. We saw it came up a little bit. We saw a 14.35% rally immediately after, as basically the reaction to the news. And then XRP erased 11.4 billion with just 48 hours after that. What's going on here? Was this a sell the news event? I kind of don't think so. This is what I think is happening and what a lot of people think are happening as well. The cryptocurrency market appears entirely affected by the same fear that has gripped stock investors and leading to a significant equity sell-off there as well. Tariffs. I talk about tariffs all the time on the channel. I wish I didn't. But while positive in the long run for the country with imposing tariffs, the short term, they have generated an escalating trade war, and it's ensured traders are uncertain about their investments, consumers are uncertain about the prices of their goods, and analysts are speculating if the US is already in a recession. So those are some big words. Those are some, big long-term effects right now, right? Breakthroughs in China are also shaking the tech industry, and it is showing. But the long-term picture, I'm still remaining bullish for XRP, and this is why. Over 2% down the last 7 days, the fact it still remains 304% in the green the last 6 months at press time, the price of $3.38 is a major accomplishment and demonstrated a long-term outlook bull run for this case, right? A long-term bull for it, for this case. Now, let's jump over here. We're going to take a look at, this is XRP versus Bitcoin. This is in the last month. Looks very, very similar, doesn't it? XRP is in the blue, while Bitcoin is in the orange as of normal. And we saw here this, the big move up here for XRP, and then the subsequent retracement. And really what's happening is there's just not enough people with confidence right now in the crypto industry or in investments, period, to sustain any kind of a move in in the upside. So we're gonna jump over here and look at this as well. This is on CoinMarketCap. The fear and greed index chart is showing 27 fear. We came out of last week's extreme fear index to just fear now. So this is honestly, guys, this is exactly why we haven't had any kind of a substantial movement in the positive side of price action in the last while. People are scared. People are scared of tariffs. People are scared of what is to come. Any kind of instability or uncertainty in financial markets, this is what it causes. And really, this is not going to go away until, obviously, tariffs kind of figure itself out. Not figure itself out, but until Donald Trump figures out the tariffs, right? And traders start to see some longer term positivity from that, right? Short term, this is going to be wild. It's not going to be good. It's going to be very scary, and everybody's already showing their fear. So, we're just going to have to get used to this, guys. This is not an XRP specific scenario. This is not something related to XRP. This is related to the overall financial markets. And this video would pretty much be for any other crypto out there. It's not just an XRP specific video. So, but I just wanted to let you guys know why we didn't see the price action that we were thinking we were going to see after the SEC has ended the lawsuit. So it is what it is. Unfortunately, we're just going to have to give it some time. And but like I said, XRP is still up. When in doubt, zoom out. That saying is always true, right? Zoom out, you'll see XRP is still up massively from this time, just a few months ago. It's still doing very, very well. And, it's still one of the top cryptos out there. I'm not concerned. I'm not worried. I think we just have to give it a little more time. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.